Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about belts on your vehicle, the damage that can happen to them, and sometimes it's very hard to tell with today's newer belts, which are serpentine belts, if they actually need to be replaced. There's all different kinds of wear that can happen to these belts, and they need to be inspected properly. There's two ways we inspect them. We often use a depth gauge, which will actually show the wear and how deep the grooves have worn. Rubber actually comes off these belts as they're used, and therefore the grooves tend to get deeper and the belt doesn't grab as well to all the components on the vehicle that it runs, such as the alternator, AC compressor, etc. We need to take a good look at belt tensioners and the bearings in them, make sure the tension's working properly, keeping good tension on the belt, and the bearings and the idlers and all that are in great shape. There's some description here of different things that happen to belts, such as pitting, cracking, chunks coming out from getting gravel contaminants in them, etc. There's a lot of failures, so it's very important that you have your belts inspected by a qualified facility. Back in the old days, we used to have a single V-belts that ran on vehicles, but pretty much today, usually, we have one single belt that runs all items. Get them inspected properly, and it'll keep you on the road. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.